People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up.
Hi, I'm Jason Huddleston with Dent Lion Paintless Dent Repair from Houston, Texas. Our company does our best to come to our clients at their chosen location and their chosen time to make it convenient for them. When we fix your car, we do our best to get to the rear of the panel so that we can massage the dent out so we don't have to mess up the factory finish on your vehicle, retaining your vehicle's value. So your experience with Dent Lion, we try to make you feel like a client and not a customer. We want to build a long-lasting relationship with you.
So it's a lot of hard work. If you don't love it, you're going to fail.